Hello, Falady Trans Lovies. I'm your girl Falady, bringing you the hottest news. So, if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and also leave a comment below. So, Sisinje, congratulations to Lorna Maseko, who is a international celebrity chef, also who is a TV presenter, for launching her own cookbook. It's called Celebrate with Lorna. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out till next time.
Oh, you look amazing. Congratulations, friend. Oh. Does it feel being an author, being this sexy, being a chef? Honey, come through all the way. Yes. An entire ballerina, this one. You must never, ever. And look at your face, friend. You're still